Is your singing voice unpredictable? Here's some help. Hello, my name is Barbara Lewis with Singing After 40. Welcome. I'm going to start with a couple of minutes of helping you to kind of open up your body and your mind and your heart. Take a deep breath and keep this in mind. Your ability to express yourself, all of your years of knowledge and being through your voice is worth the effort. And with that, here we go. I'm recording this for those days, those times, when you feel that your voice is not responding well and you're not sure what to do. It could be like that. A lot of guck, which happens to us as we get older. We have to kind of work through that. So I'm going to take us through some exercises that I do in that situation, since that's the truth. I try, when I start on a day like this, to start kind of open, rather than feeling contracted, which is the tendency when you're feeling your voice is not working as you want it to. You kind of, you suffer and contract. And so I want to expand, to kind of pull out of that emotional and physical contraction. Sit tall. I feel like I have to sit tall. I open my arms. I turn them like this, just to get a feeling of looseness, fluidity. I take a few deep breaths. I'll do one with you. Okay, I would start with something like this. Try it. Now, if men are doing this with me, you know that you're down here. You're down there. And we continue. So why am I doing this? I find this a very easy exercise. I'm just running through the easy part of my range, not forcing it high, not pushing it down, just in the kind of speaking area. So I take that up a little higher. I'll continue up. Keep coming with me. Thinking really light, really easy, so that I get started without much effort. So if that exercise doesn't work for you as a start, then find one that does, and find a range in which it works, where you feel really like natural. So you feel as you go along that this is doable. You want to get back to things that are doable when you're having trouble vocally. I'm going to do the next one that I do. Again, for me, very easy. Yum, 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 yum. Try it. For some people, it's not easy. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, so those are two exercises that for me are very easy. Hopefully they'll be easy for you too. Now I'm going to go into my speechy range and work a little bit through there, which for me is a different registration. It's a different kind of muscular use. Might be for you too, unless you're one of those lucky people who have one voice and you sing in one column, one registration, one use of the muscle pulley system from bottom to top. You're very fortunate. For those of us who have, we have to blend registrations, now I'm going to go to the bottom. I'm going to do yeah, because that's very easy for me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Try it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Keep it a little bit light, a little bit tearful. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so for me that's very easy. I went up to an A flat. As I get into the A and the B flat, I have to get a bit louder. I have to work a little harder. I'm going to wait, do that a bit later. I'm going to start kind of middle speech range and go down, just to keep everything really easy and level. I'm teaching my brain that I can sing in a very easy range, and I can keep it very compact and very easy. So I'm starting now in an E. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Going down. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Telling my brain it's not low. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's just where I speak. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm looking for warmth down here, but not weight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Try it. Couple more. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Last one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. So I've worked a little bit in the upper range, a little bit in the lower. I've worked two different registrations. Now I'm going to do a bit of staccato. This is not easy at this point in the warm-up, but it's something that I do early on because I want to bridge that brain throat gap, which can happen as you get older, where you ask your voice to do something fast and kind of precise, and it doesn't want to do it. It's too slow. So I'm teaching my brain and throat conversation to be very, very close. There's no gap there, or less of a gap. And I do this. It's like this. Try it. So it's kind of precise. It's light, the glottis comes together, but it's not a hard smack. It's just precise. And actually, the breath and the glottis come together in kind of a coordination it's not easy, but it's something that's very good for we older singers to do. Stay happy. Might need a bit of room on the top. Those upper notes are not perfect. I'm keeping going. It's not easy. This coordination. So, I'm gradually warming up different aspects of my singing. Then I would go into longer held notes just to teach my brain again that I can hold the notes very stable. So, long held. Those of you who have done other warm-ups with me will know that the hand gesture can help the voice, apparently. Same thing. Your turn. Stability. Let that vibrate. Your turn. Now I'm going to try and keep it more stable. Your turn. Okay. Now I'm going to do something that allows me, that encourages me to move in increments a little bit through the range like this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Again, I'm keeping that in head voice. As I go down, I'm going to do that in speech voice. Yeah, 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 your turn. We're looking for something light and young. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm going to go into speech. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Two more. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Again, it's warm but not heavy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So this was kind of a beginning of bringing your voice back into control. I don't want to make it too long, and I'll see you next time. I hope it worked for you. Please let me know. Bye-bye.